Hello everyone, I am Joseph from Montfort School. Today I like to teach you about some common manners and etiquettes. Totally 16 tasks I have selected and I divided it into three parts. Come, let's move into today's session. Common etiquettes part 1. Task 1. How to start a conversation. Expressions. Nice day, isn't it? Dreadful weather, don't you think? It's good to see the sun again. It's freezing today. Excuse me, is anybody sitting here? Say, don't I know you from somewhere? Sorry, I couldn't help overhearing. Did you mention something about? Excuse me, could you let me have a look at your magazine? I am fond of the film star on the cover. Making up dialogue. Children, I am giving some exercises after each task to make up. Please note down and try your level best. Making up dialogue. You are seated on an airplane next to a girl or boy and you would like to talk to her or him. So you start to speak to her or him. At a party, you find yourself face to face with the celebrity and you would like to have a talk with him. Task 2. Saying goodbye. Common expressions. Bye and good luck. See you later. Hope to meet you soon. It's a pleasure meeting you. Nice talking to you. I had better be off. We will keep in touch. Bye. Have a nice day. So long. Take care of yourself. I had to leave. You are at a party which you aren't enjoying very much and are waiting for an excuse to leave. After coffee, you think out a reason and go over to your host or hostess. You are seeing Linda off at the airport. She is your close friend and has been staying with you for 2 weeks. She is returning to England. You ask her to keep in touch. Task 3. Telephone conversation. Common expressions. Hi, John speaking. I would like to speak to Tom, please. May I ask who is calling? You are wanted on the phone. He is unavailable at the moment. I think you have got the wrong number. Can you put me through the service department? It's pretty hard to reach you. May I leave a message? Hold on, please. Create a short telephonic conversation. For each, paying attention to the cues given. A is leaving a message. B, ask to have your call returned. C, tell the person you will call back later. You are calling your friend Frank, but he is already asleep. You call the plumber to have your toilet repaired, but he is not in. You call a co-worker, but he is out to lunch. Joe calls a friend to give him information about the camping trip he has organized for next week. The roommate tells Joe that the friend is sick and can't talk. Task 4. Asking the way. Common expressions. Could you possibly tell me where the museum is, please? I am told West Station is near this place. Do you happen to know where it is? Excuse me, could you show me the way to the Holiday Inn? Would you mind telling me how to get to the Central University of Science and Technology? The bank is halfway down the street. Turn left at the first corner after the crossroads. You are going in the wrong direction. This is the shortcut to the stadium. Conversation. Ask your friend the way to the nearest temple, new department store, your favorite bookstore. Task 5, asking for information. Common expressions. Could you tell me some more about this place? Would you mind telling me more about this meeting? I would like to know more about your education. This may sound like a stupid question, but I would like to know why you are still a bachelor. Something else I am wondering about is how your family supported you in achieving this. I hope you don't mind my asking. That is, would you tell me your age? Excuse me, do you happen to know when the train to Chennai leaves? Sorry, that's not quite what I meant. What I really wanted to know was whether I could borrow your laptop. Sorry to bother you again, but could you tell me how you keep your body fit? Sorry, I didn't quite follow what you said. Practice. This is the first time you have studied in the Department of English. You are talking with a sophomore. Ask him or her something about the department. The following topics are teachers, facilities, classrooms, extracurricular activities, etc. Thank you. We continue to learn some common etiquettes in next session.
Also, kindly visit our school website www.montfortcbscdgpudur.organize. Facebook page Montfort Senior Secondary School DG Pudur. Thank you for visiting.